Hi, I'm Arnav Chaudhary. I'm a BTech in Civil Engineering and currently I'm working as a business analyst at Total Environment.
I'm Anurag Khambani. I'm also working as a planning analyst at Total Environment. And I'm here to share my experiences over the last 6 months.
Anurag, can we get a very broad representation of what exactly you are working on as part of your profile at Total Environment?
A planning analyst in the CPMO, which stands for Corporate Project Management Office. My profile as of now is not very well defined. This is a new department that they're experimenting with. So right now, my work is divided into many sectors. For instance, first of all, when I began working for the first 3-4 months, my job was to make the MIS reports. MIS reports are Management Information System, which is to do with me supplying all the information from site to my reporting manager, who will in turn report to the CEO, who will report to the CMD, and the CMD will take that information to the customer. So my job was to make that process smoother, to take the information from site in raw form, then compile it, make charts, make Excel sheets, then supply it to the manager and have a discussion with her or him regarding what all inputs she requires and what all inputs the site requires. Then slowly, as I got in touch with this work, then later on we started working on making new formats for these MIS reports. Earlier they were following some format, but there were many challenges and problems with them. So now I had to define new processes, new formats of the sheets that we were working on. That's what I was doing just moments before you came. Then other than that, we also have to, I was also in charge of procurement. Procurement is, I have to take the requirements. For instance, the construction progresses in a certain fixed echelons. So once the shell is complete, then you have to go into flooring, then you have to go into masonry, then plastering, then painting, so then lighting, then polishing, whatever. The processes have to be known by me, and according to the processes, I have to know what is the next material that has to be procured. Then I have to allocate funds from the total pool of funds that I have, and say this much, say 2 lakhs is required for this much paint for these many units. Then next month we'll require 3 lakhs for the light. So I have to make the chart and project the funds over the next 6 months.
So do you think it is very fulfilling? Because I have always had this confusion that yes, you can either do one thing and concentrate on it very well, or you can do many things and get a wholesome kind of experience. Do you think it has been fulfilling in that sense over the past few months working across streams?
Wholesome experience, yes. Initially, I don't think any company will take a fresher and give them one particular job and ask them to stick to it, unless you are specialized and give them your masters. Bachelor students will have to experiment with a lot of fields, especially in a company which is just in an upcoming stage. And it is fulfilling because nobody really knows what they want until they get into the field. In school, in colleges, you can to some extent be sure what you want, but unless you go there and you start working, again that also depends from company to company. Some company will give enough perks to a structural designer that he only wants to work in structural design. Some structural design, in our company itself, there are some who started as site engineers, never specialized in design, but moved on to structural engineers, and now they are heading the departments. So when you get that variety, you have a lot more choices than when you had only when you started in a particular department.
Aruna, now coming to what you are working on inside of your profile. So can you tell us a little about that?
Yes, I am working as a business analyst at Total Environment. So I have been currently put in the IT and process excellence. So as I said, everything is in-house in this company. So they even have an IT department where they are making all the websites, creating the databases of the projects. So my job basically is to get requirements from the different departments of the company, what they want to be in the website, how they want to be in the website, how the screen should look, and that is something I'm doing right now. I'm designing the screens, I'm getting requirements from different departments, and I'm giving it to the developers and the coders. And basically I have to be a mediator between different departments and the coders, so that the coders can code in the way the different people of different departments wanted in the website. Apart from that, I am also involved in making various processes involved in the sales division of the company. Like how can I make the sales process more efficient? What are the different stages involved in the sales process of the company? How to handle with customers, how to behave with customers, how to take care of their experiences, how to make sure they're very satisfied with us. So there are many processes involved in that, and they happen in various stages, and my job is to basically make sure that I make each and every stages very efficient, in fact more efficient than it currently is. So to summarize, I can say I'm involved in making processes for different departments as well as getting requirements to be developed in a particular website.
Arnav, coming towards the end of your interview, tell me, give me a very balanced view on how you have grown in terms of skills and expertise working at Total Environment.
When I joined Total Environment, I was wondering I'm from a BTech background and civil engineering, and how am I going to excel in something I had never done before? So after joining Total Environment, what helped me was it helped me come out of my comfort zone. Since I have a little knowledge, I won't say little, I have a lot of knowledge in civil engineering, so I can help make the processes involved in Total Environment more efficient because I know how a building should work, how a house should be built. So that knowledge is definitely helping me, and the soft skills which I'm learning different softwares, I guess, and I'm also learning to deal with clients. That is definitely making me more presentable in front of everyone, and that is helping me learn skills in dealing with people around me, and I can also keep on using my knowledge in civil engineering, and I think I can only learn more from here. So I can say yes, I have learned a lot after joining this organization.